All right, so we want to use the graph from the first question. So that was the one where you were looking at the distance and time for walking away from a wall, in order to find the speed between each of the points shown. So we gathered earlier that we start 2 meters away from the wall at point A. Then we walk away from the wall at a constant speed because it's a straight line, it doesn't curve or anything. And at B, we are 8 meters away from the wall, and this happens after 2 seconds. B to C lasts 3 seconds, and we are at a constant distance from the wall. We are 8 meters from the wall, which means we are not moving. And then from C to D, we're going back towards the wall and end off at 7 seconds being at the wall. And C to D takes 1 second. So let's first start off by finding the slope or the speed from A to B. My rise here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And my run is 1, 2. So if I find the slope from A to B, so that's the same as speed. So it's rise over run. And that gives us 6 over 2. I don't know if it's easier. Which equals 3. Sorry, I don't have that much space. So my speed here is 3 meters per second. Then here I have a horizontal line, and every horizontal line has a slope of 0. So the slope of BC is equal to 0. So that means my speed here is 0 meters per second. I'm not going anywhere. And here, I'm going to draw that triangle again. Oh, it's actually 2 seconds. Okay, so here this is 2, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my slope for CD is equal to rise over run. Because I'm running right, but then I'm going down, it's going to be negative. So my rise is 8, and my run, or you can even think of it like I'm rising up 8, but then I'm going left 2, so that's negative. 8 divided by negative 2 is negative 4. So my speed here is negative 4 meters per second. And when you're talking about speed, the negative sign actually doesn't have meaning to it, so I'm going to erase it, and my speed is just 4 meters per second. The negative sign just tells me that I'm going back towards the wall, but in terms of speed, it doesn't really have meaning.